Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited. I have quite a few of RMS Beauty products to try on. I will show you how I put this look together. It's a little bit of a roller coaster. I also want to talk to you about this beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing today. It is from a company called OBY Jewelry. OBY reached out to me and asked if they could send me a couple of pieces. I of course said yes. They are not paying me. I'm just sharing this pretty jewelry that was sent my way. What's neat about this company is that sustainable fashion is important to them. They use a lot of recycled materials. The beautiful packaging that they sent the jewelry in, also recycled. It opens up. What a lovely gift this would make. The pieces came in these pouches. There was a cleaning cloth. This is separated so you can have more than one piece inside. The first piece I want to show you is this one, and this is the double wheat open ring. It is beautiful. It's open on the back, so you can just open it and close it so that you can wear it on whatever finger you want. This is part of their Golden Wheat series. Wrap your fingers in the beauty of nature's bounty with our double wheat open ring. 2 delicate strands of meticulously crafted wheat stalks elegantly embrace your finger, symbolizing abundance and growth. This ring is a celebration of nature's elegance and individuality. Recycled silver, and over it is the 18 karat gold vermeil. My earrings are also a part of that collection. They feel nice and light. Let me show you a piece right there that just clicks shut. Nice and lightweight. I love the bright gold. And then this third piece is probably my favorite. I'm switching the fingers so you can see it a little bit better. And this one is the wheat grains open ring. Isn't that just beautiful? It's just a little bit smoother. They're both gorgeous. And of course this one as well is open on the back. Simple, everyday pieces. I hope that you will check them out. I will have a link in the description box as well as a 25% off discount code. Make sure you use my link. So now I'll travel back in time and show you how I put this look together using RMS Beauty products. Let's get into it. I'm excited to get into these products. What is already on my face, I didn't bring it in, but it was the Ulta Brow Pencil. I have a little bit of my Milk Primer on just to mattify and smooth a little bit. And that is it. Felt really weird not putting eyeshadow primer on, but I've been really watching a lot of videos from, I believe it's Rosemary Swift, and she talked about her eyelights and saying not to have anything on your eyelids. So I tried to at least tap them to make sure I didn't have a lot of skincare on them. I'm gonna try to do what she says. I will go ahead and start with my eyes. I picked up the Eyelights in the shade Strobe. This is what it looks like. And it's cute. It comes with a little roller so that we don't make a mess out of the little metal tube. I'm going to slide the bottom through here. There we go. I think I got it. Yep, now I can fold it down and hopefully it doesn't spray everywhere. Oh, no. I did make a mess. I just spilled it everywhere. I just put a nice blob on my hand. I'm going to start with my finger, and I'm just going to place this on my eye. Feels very silky. Now I've heard her say in her videos to work fast because once it sets, it really sets. To go up into the crease, not to be afraid of that. Ooh, wow. She wasn't kidding when she said they dry fast. That feels dry. Going on the other eye now. All right. I'm gonna take a clean brush and just see if I can blend out these edges. I'm back. I just went ahead and added a little bit of liner and mascara. You know, I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Some are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I make a small commission, and I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Right now, I'm just taking a little brush with some micellar water and just cleaning up where I got a little sloppy. The next product I will be testing is this Uncover Up Concealer. Natural finish, light buildable coverage, non-comedogenic, brightens, conceals, moisturizes. It has skin-loving ingredients, won't settle into fine lines. Auto-adjusting minerals, conceal with pigment rather than weight for a flexible coverage you can wear your way, build it up or sheer it out. I got mine in the shade 11.5. Looks like I tried to pick a shade that was going to match my skin tone so that I could use it to cover up any discolorations on my face. We are doing a no makeup look today, which I have really been enjoying, where I just cover up the places that I feel really need covered up and leave the rest as a nice bare skin. I'm assuming I'll have to build it up under my eyes. I'm going to start with this first layer, and typically I use a color corrector. So I'm going to see what it looks like without one at first, but I'll continue to test it different ways. But it did a pretty good job. I'm going to blend these out, a chance to dry down a little bit and give me extra coverage. Now I'll build up a little bit more under my eyes. In about a minute, I am blending, and that looks very nice, very healthy. I need some powder. I am powdered. Skin is looking good. Before I go into the next product, I wanted to put this on my lips. This is the Eyelights Cream Lip Gloss, and I believe this is a special one. This one came with a little gift with my order. The shade is Chameleon. It is going to react to my body's natural pH and give me a personalized, vibrant pink pop of color. Let me go ahead and put that on, and then I'll show you the bag. Here's what the packaging looks like, and the product feels like it's super stiff, and it appears to be green. I can already see my lips turning pink. It feels very nice. And then the bag looks like this, and it's a nice bag. And you fold it over like this. That is adorable. And a cute little key. How long will it take for Jenny to lose that? The next product I have is their bronzer. This is the Redimension Hydra Bronzer. It has a luminous finish. It is talc free, nourishes and lasts all day, gives a natural sun-kissed glow. I chose the shade Tan Lines. Packaging inside is beautiful. It's all swirled, and this is a gel to powder formula. I've heard her talk about how she doesn't like baked products. I was watching one of her videos and she used a really big brush. I'm gonna try it. This one is from Wet n Wild, and she swirled around, and then what she likes to do is go across, not down, because that is where the sun naturally hits the face. Well, me doing it like this seems to put it on very diffused and light, but I can definitely see it. I like it. Now I would typically use an angled brush. And let me see if it goes on a little bit stronger with that, and absolutely. This one is a little more dense. This is Jasmine Beauty. That shade is perfect. And you know I had to pick up one of the blushes. This is the Redimension Hydra Powder Blush. It's so hard picking a shade, but I ended up going with Maiden's Blush. And this is described as a soft cinnamon sparked with sweet pink. This is what it looks like. I mean, truly gorgeous. These are refillable components, which is very nice. I also want to say I like how the bronzer has the brown writing on it and the blush has the, I guess, pinky orange sort of writing. It helps you know what you're grabbing at. Sometimes when everything looks the same, I don't love that. I'm going to take my Morphe A22. And I'm going to go right here. Stay above the bottom of my nose for a more youthful effect. There's definitely a luminosity, but it doesn't feel glittery. Maiden's Blush, it's just a really, like a brownie pink. I really feel like I've been in the sun, which I love. While I'm here, I'm going to take a little bit of the Hydra bronzer and I'm going to put it under my eyes, and then I'm going to add a little bit of my tubing mascara. I'm back. I'm just taking this lip balm off, and you can see there's some pink coming off there. So the bronzer, the tubing mascara, and then I put a little bit of my white hard candy pencil in the inner corner. And the last product that I have to play with from RMS is this legendary Serum Lipstick. Lipstick Lip Serum Lip Stain Hybrid with 8 hours of hydration. I picked up the shade Ruby Moon, which is the shade that she has on all the time, and she did mention that she named it after her dog. I love a good red. I did try it once, and wow, the packaging is a little tricky for Jenny because it has a click at the bottom. I don't want to click it because it doesn't come back down. So the lipstick is already up a little bit because I just couldn't help myself. I had to try it on, and it's fabulous. It feels cooling, thin, gel-like. Let me show you. It's really a very unique feeling product. I wish it were a little cooler of a red, but I still like it. Let me go ahead and add a little bit of lip liner. But this Ruby Moon, very, very pretty. It really does seem to fill in your lips. It kind of plumps them, but not in a burny, tingly way, and it wears very well. It feels a little bit sticky right now, but as it dries down, it starts to just feel like nothing. Just the kind of texture that I love. So let's talk initial first impressions. The eyelights, I'm a little bit sad. I lost a lot of the product. I just don't do well with these metal containers. So that is a bit of a drawback for me. I am heavy-handed, I am rough. Hopefully I have learned my lesson, and I hope that when I open this the next time, it doesn't continue spraying out. So different packaging, I would appreciate it. The color and formula of the eyelight itself, this is the shade Strobe again, is beautiful. It feels really nice. I'm not seeing any creasing or movement. It's gorgeous. Typically I would wear a bronzer and then put this on the lid. Let me know what you think about this all the way up kind of look. The uncover up did a nice job. My under eyes could use a little bit more coverage. I will try it with a color corrector, but truly for a day-to-day, me just running out of the house, I think this is acceptable. And the spots that I like covered are covered. I'm not seeing any creasing. It doesn't look heavy. It doesn't look dry. This, I'm liking this 11.5. The bronzer and blush, whew, I can't tell you which I like more. They are both beautiful. I am loving the color going across my cheeks. I feel like I've just come in from the beach. I love this application method that she recommends. It just feels very youthful and soft and glowing. I really do like it. Tan lines and Maiden's Blush. The lip lights, again, I think it's this metal packaging. I don't love it. This feels so stiff in my hands. I think it's gonna make me not want to reach for it, and I'm not a huge fan of the pH changing lip products. I do appreciate that this was free. It's cute. Hopefully I can gift this to somebody. And the lip color, for sure, very pretty. There are nude ones out there. I would love to try one of the nude shades, but when I'm wearing a soft eye, I really like a bold lip. So this whole look, I'm digging. Let me know what you think. Have you tried RMS Beauty? What is your favorite product from the brand? What are you looking to try? Don't forget to check out OBY Jewelry. I love this pretty wheat gold set that they sent. Don't forget I have a discount code. Use my link. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me that comment, even if it's just a heart to let me know you were here. I appreciate you spending this time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.